welcome to my channel Ageless Learning. So today we are going to learn about how to use Google Slides. Google Slides is a part of G Suite and it is used to make presentations online. Before starting, you know it all, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. To start with, we will first open the Google page and log in into our own account, Google account. So here the 9 dots will represent the Google Suite and all the Google apps are present here. Either you can go down here and find the slides, or you can simply write down slides.google.com. So in both the ways we will enter the Google Slides. Now here we have this blank presentation, the plus mark, or we have entire template gallery. So this is the template gallery. I can choose any template from this if I want to, or otherwise I can start with the basic one. Let's start with the blank one. This is the Google slide now, and here we have first of all themes. These all are the themes which I want to apply to my presentation. So you can see there are numerous of themes available. Whichever you want, you can simply click on this and this will be applied to your presentation. Now I have selected this one. So here when I have this box, click add to title. For example, I want to add Google Slides. Okay, so here we have a text button to add the text here, text box. So I will place this text box here and I will write here anything, whatever you want. See, I'm writing anything, doesn't make any sense. Now the font color is black, so it is not visible because it is merging with the background. From here I can change the text color, and here I'm making it white. Next we can do is we can enlarge the text from here, or we can directly enter the value like 60 I want to enter. So see, it has gone a very big value. Okay, I will make it 30 and I can make it bold, italics, underline, so I can do anything. See, and also if I want to make it in single line, I can just drag it here, and now what we have written the text is here, placed here. Now next we have is adding a new slide. From here, slide button, we will go to the drop down and add new slide. So the new slide has been added here. This is one of the layout of this slides, and if I want to change the layout, see apply layout, I will go to the layout and select from the different layouts available here. For example, if I want to use this one or anything else, I can just use the layout. Now next we have, for example, here I'm telling you about PDF editor. This is, suppose the presentation I'm making is about PDF editor. So next we have, I will add another slide here, and let's go to this slide. See, the slide layout is same as the previous one. So I want to change it. How would I change? I will go to this layout and from here select the different layout. Now next we have is if I want to insert any image here. So we have different things by using the camera of the computer or laptop, by inserting any link, or if you have any photos in your drive or Google Photos. Also I can upload it from computer or laptop which we have, or we can search it on the web. So from here I'm uploading a picture from my computer. For example, I'm selecting this one. So here this has almost covered all the parts of this slide. For resizing it, we will simply resize it with this button. Now I can place it anywhere in the slide wherever I want, and in the same way We can also drag and drop these and replace these title boxes as well. Here this one also I can do in the same way I can do, or see, I can resize them according to my slide and my needs. Next we have a insert button. Okay, so we will see what different things we can insert into our slide. Number one is image, which I just told you. Then we have text boxes, which I told you in the very first slide. Now we have audio. So for inserting an audio, we need to have the audio file saved in our Google Drives. So this is an audio file which is already saved in my Google Drive, and if we don't have any file saved in our Google Drive, we need to save it there first, and make sure this audio file is in MP3 file, because these are the files formats it supports. Now I'm selecting this and it has inserted this here. Okay, now I will show you how. Hello everyone, today we will be talking about how to create Google Slides. Thank you. So see, this has been created here. Now next we have is shapes. So we have a huge gallery of shapes, whichever we want to see to insert in our presentations. For making presentations, we may need different kinds of shapes here. So from here we can add these shapes. We too have equations here if we want to, if we are dealing with some kind of mathematical equation. Next we have tables here. I can see, I can enter as many as rows and columns in the same way. For example, if I want to do this, see, this has been created. I can again replace it and resize it. See, after resizing, this looks like this, and here I can enter my my data. Next we have charts. For the purpose of showing the graphs, we may need bars, columns, lines, pie charts. So here we can also include the charts. See, this is example. If I want to add this, and once we have done this, we can then edit it. So in this way I can add the charts. Now the diagrams. So here you can see in this right hand side panel we have different kinds of diagrams. So for example, if I want to add a cycle here, I want to demonstrate a cycle, so I can add it. See, this has been added and it is also editable. I can edit my data here, and since this font is in black color, I can select the font color as some different color, so I can insert these charts as well. We can also insert word art here. For example, if I want to write, see, it has appeared in this way, and I can enlarge it as much I want or reduce the size. Also, this is green in color. I can change the filling with this button here. This is the fill color here, and the outline I think will be changed with this one. Yes, but the outline border is very thin that it is not really visible. So in this way we can do, or maybe see, now I have made the border very huge. Okay, now see, next we have is line. Inserting different kinds of lines, which are again, if we are using some diagrams or charts or cycles, we will be needing these. So if you want, you can have different kind of lines: simple line, arrow, elbow connectors, curved lines. See, I show you how the curved line is made. This is a line. Let's see, I just have to click wherever I want a fold. See. So in this way I can have the curved lines. Next we have animation. So let's learn how to do the animation in the slides. When we go to the animation, here in the right side we will see there are different animations present, options for animation. See, these all are the animations present. For example, if I'm selecting this spin here, okay, so I can check whatever I have chosen from here. So here I have selected spin on click. Okay, I can also change it that with after the previous made, or with the previous made, or on click this animation should start. So I'm making it on click, and it should not be that much fast because otherwise it won't be that much visible to us. Now I will be playing it with the play button here. See, it is spinning. And in the same way, we can add multiple animations to a single slide or to all the slides. Next, we have inserting slide numbers. So when we select this, there will be numbers on every slide. So I'm selecting this slide numbers on. Skip the title slide because sometimes you don't consider it as the slide number 1, or if you don't want to skip it, you can simply leave it and then apply to select it, that you want to show that this is the slide number 3, or you want to apply to all the slides the numbering. So I'm applying here, apply, and now here you can see the number 3, which is the third, because this is the third slide, is here. Now let's see how transitions work. So we will go to slide, and here the transition is present, option is present. Click on this transition and you will see here transition, slide transition. You will have few options here if you want to see. So there is a drop down menu. For example, if I'm using a gallery transition here, okay, setting the speed, slow, medium or fast, I'm keeping it bit medium. And if I want to apply the same transition to all slides, I will do apply to all slides. And if I want to use different slides, different transition effects on different slides, I can do that as well. For example, let's go to the first slide. Here I'm using a cube transition. Next we have fade. Next I have flip I will use. Then I will use gallery, and then I will use slide from right, and last we will use slide from left. So let's see how does it work. It is start this presenting. See here also one thing, if you can see, there are 3 coin type signs here in front of every slides now. That means that every slide has transition effects applied now. Okay, that means this one. Now from here I will go to present the slide. This is the full screen and I will start. See, these are the animation effects which we applied here. These all are different. See, I applied spinning here. Okay. Also from here I can change the position of the slides. For example, if I want to take this slide at number 2, I will place it here. See, it has now gone to number 2. So in this way I can change the position by simply long pressing and dragging them to the position where I want. Next I have edit. In edit we all are familiar, so quickly I will tell. Undo is whatever we have done, we don't want to do that, so undo. Redo is whatever we did, we want to do it again. Then cut, copy, paste, everybody knows about it. Paste without formatting. Delete, duplicate means copying the same slide. Select all, find and replace. So these all are self-explanatory. I don't need to tell you about it. Next we have view option. So here in the view option I will go and we will see the different options present here in the drop down menu. The first is present. Present means it will show me the slide in full screen mode, the present slide. Then we have motion. So motion will show me, see here it has come up, it will show me what all transitions and object animations are applied to the particular slide. Then we have master slide, which it will open up the master slide. Grid view, this list view will be converted into grid view of all the slides whichever we have in this presentation. So I'm making it to the list view. Then we have zoom option, show ruler. This is the ruler here. Guides, it will guide you about, see, I show you, if I am adding the vertical guide, so it will appear like this. It would be easy for us to place the things accordingly then. And show speaker notes. Speaker notes are here. If I want to add some speaker notes, I will add them here. So if it's your wish if you want to see them or not, and in the full screen it will come up into the full screen. Okay, so these all are options of view tab. Now next tab is file option. So here in file option you can first share this presentation with anyone. This is new. If you want to open new presentation or from a template, document, spreadsheet, whatever you want to open the new file, it will be from here. Open existing, import slides. If you have some other presentations also saved, you can import the slides from there. Make this copy. So if you want to make the copy of entire presentation or the selected slides, you can do that. Email this as attachment, so you can download this in these many formats. There are many formats: Microsoft PowerPoint, ODP document, PDF document, plain text, JPEG, PNG, scalable vector graphics. So you can download them in any format, whichever you want. Then make available offline. Version history, these are the versions you are using. Rename if you want. As of now this is untitled presentation, so if I want to rename, I can rename it from here. Then I can move it to any other place in the Google Drive. For example, I want to move it to some other folder, then I can add a shortcut to Drive. I can delete it and move it to the trash. I can publish on the web. Then this is the document details. See where it is situated, my drive, owner, myself, modified and created. Everything is here. Then we have language. See, we have too many languages here. We are using United States English. Page setup, print setting and print. Page setup is like this one. See, we have this widescreen. This standard is very big. Okay, I show you how to show you. See, this is kind of a big square box. So at many places it doesn't fit. So standard we don't use. We generally use 16:9 widescreen. And then we can change it in any other. When you will go to tools, there will be a drop down menu and the first option will be spelling. If you want to if you want to do the spell check or underline the errors, which is very common, or personal dictionary, then you can explore dictionary, question answers. This is very interesting thing, voice type, speaker notes. So if you will do this, you just have to voice type and the speaker notes which are here, they will be created. You don't have to write. It is similar to voice typing in Google Notes. So when I will voice type, it will write the speaker notes here. As of now, I don't need it, so I'm not creating it. And these all are the options which are present here. Present, I have already told you that it will start the presentation. Yeah, it has two options. First is from the present slide, and next is from the beginning. And then we can share this Google Slides with anybody we want to, like this. See, copy the link. So I can share it here. That's it. That's all about Google Slides. I have tried to cover almost all the things in Google Slides. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I'll be back with a new topic. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye.